Hello and welcome back. After a long day at the zoo, we decided to pass by the military museum in Kumasi. Although we got there late, we were able to go around and have a look at the things in the museum. There was also one thing I wanted to record, but initially I was told I cannot record and I was only able to take pictures. So I didn't want to do that. But towards the end, I was given permission to film just these few places, and that's what I can share. So, out of respect, I'm not even going to share the pictures we took. So, just enjoy just the little things you see here now. So here we are at the end of the day. We decided to go see the military old planes parked outside so the kids can have a feel of it. And as you can see, the kids are very happy. We were able to go to the zoo, now to the military museum, and next to KFC. So we see you next time. Have a good day.
Bye.